Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we show you how to replace the side mirror on this 2000 Toyota Celica. It's the same process on the Celicas from 2000 to 2005. And the only items you'll need for this is a new side mirror from 1AAuto.com, flat blade screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and a 10mm socket and ratchet. To start off, you just want to remove this little triangular panel up here, as well as these two little caps. And in behind the door handle, this little bezel here just pries right out. You've now uncovered these three Phillips screws. You want to just go ahead and remove those, and we'll fast forward as Don does this. At the bottom of the door panel, you'll see there's three more Phillips screws. There's one there, and then there's two down here. And again, we'll just fast forward as Don removes those.
Remove your power mirror switch if you have one by prying up on the back side, pulling it up and out, and then there's a little tab on the harness. Press the tab and disconnect.
Now you can just pry out around the door to release the clips on the back. And then the door panel will just lift up and pull out. Pull back on these cables and then forward to release them. And the door panel is free. Right here is your window harness. You want to just push in the tab and disconnect it. Holding the mirror are three 10mm bolts. You want to just go ahead and remove those, and we'll fast forward as Don does this. The mirror from falling, there's an extra Phillips screw just holding it in. You just want to go ahead and remove that. And then the mirror will just pull right out.
On the left is the original, on the right the new one from 1AAuto. The new one from 1AAuto will go in just as the original did. It will plug in and work and function correctly. Obviously it's not painted to match. You can install it as it is if you just need a quick replacement, or you can be as crude as going to a hardware store, getting a color that matches closely and painting it that way. If you want a more exact match, go to an automotive parts store that has a paint department. They can help you match the color by using your VIN or your paint code. Then they can put some paint in an air charged can and you can refinish it that way.
To install your new mirror, you first want to remove the Phillips screw. And now you want to just feed your harness through the door and push the mirror into place. And instead of using the studs and the nuts that the last mirror had, this one actually comes with Phillips screws that you're just going to screw right into it. And we'll fast forward as Don does this. Now you want to just reconnect your mirror harness. Now to reinstall your door panel, it's just a reverse of the procedure. Take these cables, put them in, and clip them back into the handle.
As you bring it close, put the mirror harness through the door panel.
Then you want to line up that panel up into the windowsill there and push it down into place. And now you want to just hit around the panel to re-engage those clips. You can reconnect your power mirror switch and just push it down into place. And now we'll fast forward here as Don replaces those 6 Phillips screws in the door panel. And then replace the bezel behind the door handle, the triangular panel, and those 2 caps.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.